Now we're shifting those gears a little bit, getting into tonight and tomorrow. In fact, if you were with us in the past hour, I was busy tracking some squall activity, at least south of the city, across the area. And that is actually in the process of working across the region south of the city right now. We're looking at some heavier downpours in that area. In fact, that's working toward Allegheny County right now. And unfortunately, our graphics are kind of a little out of kilter here, so we're kind of jumping ahead to the forecast. But there is going to be some stronger downpours associated with some of the squall activity working in Allegheny County right now. There actually is accompanying a weather front across the region, and that weather front is also going to be dropping our temperature as we work through the nighttime period and into tomorrow as well. Here's the squall line now advancing toward Allegheny County and some stronger wind gusts accompanying that. In fact, the wind gusted to 32 miles per hour back here at Dunkirk, and the wind still gusting at 30 miles per hour down along the lakeshore at Erie, PA. And those stronger wind gusts will be sweeping into the region initially tonight. However, the winds will die down later tonight, and so will the temperatures across the area. Well, let's get back to the forecast panels now. We're going to take a look at the forecast, at least for tonight. As we work through this Wednesday night, we may see a few outbreaks in the cloud cover initially. However, there's going to be some scattered showers and thunderstorms working across the area tonight. The squall line was producing some electrical activity further back to the west out over Lake Erie about an hour or two ago, but much of that has now disappeared from our lightning detection system. But the showers will start to diminish as we get into the late night period. The low temperatures tonight bottoming out somewhere between 35 to 39 degrees. But check out these winds. West at 20 to 30, possibly gusting as high as 40 miles per hour initially this evening. They will settle down to about 10 to 16 miles per hour by morning. As we get into tomorrow, some partial sun, at least across northern areas, including some of the suburbs. We're talking the Tonawandas, Amherst, down through Cheektowaga and West Seneca. I think we'll see some limited sun during the morning hours and also maybe even into the afternoon as well. It will be cloudier, however, to the south of the city, and along with that, a chance of a few rain showers. The highs tomorrow, 40 to 44 degrees. Now, for tomorrow night, we're looking at cloudy skies. We have yet another weather front on the way tomorrow night, and this is probably going to be the only weather system to actually produce some snow across the area as we head for the Christmas holiday weekend. Unfortunately, by Sunday, the temperatures are back up around 40 degrees, so there's probably going to be a fair amount of melting at that time. But tomorrow night, we could get a light coating out of this, and maybe even a little bit more to the north of the city, because there's going to be a northeast wind off Lake Ontario, and that might pick up a little bit more moisture off the lake. The lows tomorrow night between 28 to 32 degrees. Now, as we get into Friday, morning snow showers starting to wind down. We could catch some breaks in the cloud cover later in the day, and the high temps on Friday definitely on the cooler side. Not that 55-degree high that we had in Buffalo today. We're back down to 33 to 36 degrees, still a northeast wind at about 8 to 16. Let's check out the holiday weekend now, getting into Christmas Eve day on Saturday. Some scattered snow showers, along with that some partial sun and a high temp of 36 degrees. For Christmas Day itself on Sunday, we're back up to 40 degrees. So any of the snow that accumulates over the next couple days, and even though it's going to be a little bit, it's going to be melting already by Sunday. Just a chance of a few snow showers, and this relatively mild pattern continues right into the beginning of next week.